Hey gang, Jesse here at EC Auto Repair. Want to go over, give you some advice on maybe you're looking for a new mechanic, a few questions that you can ask your mechanic when you go in for service. So ideally, the ideal scene is when you're looking for a new mechanic, take your car in for an oil change. It does so many things for you. First of all, how do they treat you upon check-in, during the process, and on checkout? It's a good measurement, right? Second of all, do they do a professional job on the oil change? You get a chance to see the staff. Are they dressed professionally, or at least dressed like they look like they're pros in their industry and that they're trained, right? Another thing that happens with an oil change is then, do they take you out and show you things that you should be aware of that you deserve to know about on your car? They tell you, hey, we're doing an inspection, we're going to check your air filter, we're going to check your tire pressures, all that stuff. Are they actually showing you that they're doing that, or how are they validating and earning your trust by proving that they're doing those things? So those are a few things to do, but guess what? We have a lot of customers that come to us. Their vehicle comes to us on a wrecker because their vehicle broke as it was traveling cross country, and so they have to they have to trust us based on our professional appearance, based on our Google reviews, based on a reference from the towing company, whatever the case is. And then the next question that we get asked often, and that you should ask a mechanic if you're going to a new mechanic, is, when can you look at my vehicle? Literally, there could be some different circumstances, but the rule of thumb is they should be able to look at that vehicle the same day. I did not say they can fix it the same day. I didn't say anything other than they can look at it, get you an answer on what's going on or what needs to happen so that you know the next phase of the process. Secondly, then, there's a lot of things that cannot be controlled by the shop. And I'll give you a for instance on this particular fleet vehicle. This is a Ram pickup. It's a work truck. It belongs to one of my local fleets right here in town. This vehicle showed up to me on June the 6th with a really bad coolant leak. My technician did some testing and troubleshooting. We determined that the heater core was indeed leaking on this vehicle, preventing it from being driven. So as a result, we went to order the heater core. The heater core was on back order. So our supplier did some digging and found out that there was literally 0 heater cores available anywhere in the United States. It was on what they call an intergalactic back order, whatever that means. It means we can't get it. So we advised the fleet manager, hey, we can't get it. They decided that they could probably get it. They went through a similar process to us, and they came back to us and they're like, you guys are correct. That heater core is not available at this time. We will leave the vehicle there until y'all can get the part. So we have been searching, and we've had this part ordered since June the 6th. Today is August the 15th. The heater core for this truck showed up last night, August the 14th. So this truck has been here for 2.5 months waiting on a part, and we finally have the part, so now we're going to be able to get the truck back together and get it out of the shop this week. So that's another question you ask your mechanic is, how can you look at it today and then understand they're going to have to get back to you and let you know when the parts are available. Lots and lots and lots of parts are available to us. We have lots of sources for parts, but in this particular instance, we was not able to get a heater core from anyone. We even attempted to get a recycled heater core out of a wrecked truck, wasn't able to go with that option. It just simply didn't work. So another question that you can ask your mechanic is, are you insured, or how long is your warranty? There's so many guys that are doing mechanic work and they're not insured. And so if, God forbid, but something tragic happened a wheel came off while he's going down the road, or a braking system failed or something like that, and that mechanic's not insured, it can just be a really ugly situation in a hurry. So go to a reputable shop, go to someone that's insured, someone that has a warranty, someone that has trained technicians. We train our technicians every single week. Every Wednesday we train. We train and we train and we train because we want to give you the very best experience you deserve.